If you want to use DeepSeek Proxy properly on the Janitor AI, then here's what you're going to do. So step one is you're going to visit deepseekproxy.com and then you're going to log into your account. Now, from here, you're going to head over to the platform.deepseek.com and then you're going to copy your API keys from the left side panel. You're going to click on the API keys right here and then make sure that you click on Create New API Key. So we're just going to name this API key API and then we're going to click on Create API Key. Now, once you have created your new API key, you're just going to copy this API key and then hit on copy. Now, from there, we're going to head over to our Janitor account. Now, from here, we're just going to head over to our dashboard and then we're going to access your profile icon at the top of your screen. And then from here, you're just going to click on settings. Now, from the settings, you're going to access your API configuration and then you're going to choose custom API. After that, you're going to paste your DeepSeek API key into the field. Now, you're going to save your settings, refresh the page, and test your chatbot. You should see instant responses with no throttling or server errors. For best results, keep your DeepSeek tab open while chatting to avoid timeout issues. It's also recommended to use stable Wi-Fi for consistent connections. And that's it. This method works perfectly as of this update. So, if your Janitor AI keeps lagging, this fix gets it running fast again. And that is how you're going to use DeepSeek Proxy properly on Janitor AI. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.